Hey, Gareth here from Port Monkeys, and it's a kind of a rough day here on the cruise. So I've gone up as high as I can go, other than maybe the sports deck, sports center, basketball court, whatever. As you can see, there aren't many people out here today. We're on the Grand Princess, returning from Hawaii to LA, although in 2 days' time we're in Ensenada, Mexico. You can see a few people out there watching some movie on the big screen. These people shielded in a little circle. Maybe you can't hear a word I'm saying. But anyway, I think I'm going to add this. So from the Grand Princess, somewhere in the Pacific Ocean, I'm Gareth, Port Monkeys, saying see you in the next port. Bye.